guys, so just about a week ago we picked up the Ford Excursion for our tow vehicle. So obviously you can tell we're not going to get a fifth wheel. We're looking at travel trailers, and we found a few that we kind of like, but we needed a tow vehicle because coming from the motorhome to this, we definitely needed it because, you know, I sold my truck I don't know, 5-6 years ago. So anyway, we picked up this truck, and we didn't go new just because some of the places we're going to, especially for the lighthouse video and stuff, the roads are rough. There's going to be scratches, dents and stuff. So we didn't want to do a lease or a new vehicle. So we wanted something that was old. Never did I think I would go for a 20-year-old truck, but we found this one. We loved it. It had everything we needed. It has the towing power we like, and it's in decent shape for a 20-year-old truck. But there are a few problems. One of them is that the owner only had one key and had lost the key fobs. That's not a problem. They're very simple to program and find, and they're very inexpensive. So I picked up 2 new key fobs, and I'm going to show you how to program them. And as we go, there's going to be more and more stuff that we're doing to the truck. We're going to be replacing the tow mirrors. The ones that are on here were fine 20 years ago, but the ones for the newer Super Duties are so much nicer, a little bit wider, and better visibility than these older tow mirrors. So we're replacing them. We're going to upgrade the headlights. Might upgrade the grill just because it's the older grill, and I kind of don't like that grill. Not that it's going to change anything about the truck, but I want to kind of do that. And one of the other things is it had basically everything we wanted. Oops, sorry, I got to flip this around. But as far as the radio, it's the old school CD plus. For those of you who don't know what this is a cassette player. We haven't had cassettes in quite some time now. So we're going to swap that out with a 2-dyne with navigation and all that stuff, and we'll do a video on that. I already have the one dash cam on. The rear one actually broke, even though that's the newest one. The cable broke, so I have to replace the cable, and we'll run that as soon as possible too. And we do have the Bluetooth system from from Verizon that was originally in the HHR. So I put that in here, but that's not where it's going to stay. But it's wintertime, it's cold, and I really don't feel like running a bunch of wires right now. So when it gets warmer, we'll work on that. One of the other things that we'll be doing here probably next week is the driver's armrest. The leather, well, it wouldn't be leather on that part, it would be vinyl, has cracked and come apart, and they actually sell just the fabric, and it's a simple swap. So I'm going to do that. And then the truck just needs a really good thorough cleaning. I'm not knocking the dealership that we bought it from, but their prep guys just got to the back seat and never did anything else. There's stains. I believe they could have done a better job. So as picky as I am, I'm going to go through. We're going to steam everything, shampoo, condition the leather, all that good stuff, and we'll do a video on that too. In about 4 days, we will be heading over to Novi for the 54th annual Detroit RV and Camp Show. We always have fun there. There's so much to do, and we love looking at the RVs, but we actually have more fun actually talking with different campground owners and different vendors there. But we always have fun, and we always run into people we know, and so that's going to be fun. So look for that video. That video will probably be out Saturday of next week, just because by the time we get it done and all that, and with our schedules, it's hard for me to get the videos out as fast as I want to. But anyway, enough rambling on. I will go through the processes here and show you how to program your key fob to your truck. So first thing you want to do is make sure that the vehicle is unlocked. So you're going to take the key in. Do this where I can see. There. Take the key in. Turn it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leave it into that position, grab your key fob, and now it locks and unlocks. Grab the other one. I don't know if I can do it all at once or not. Yep. There we go. Now we're going to shut it off. Okay. And now I'm locking and unlocking from the key fob. Hit it twice on the unlock and unlocks all the doors. Unlocks. Very simple. But remember on the 8th turn to leave it on the accessory side, which is one before you actually start the engine. And then you just simply hit lock, unlock any of the buttons on your key fob, and you'll hear the doors lock and unlock. Simple, and definitely a lot more convenient than getting your key out and sticking it into the door lock, since hell, I don't think I've done that for over 20 years. So the last couple of days, having only the key, no key fob, it's, I felt like, I was back in the 70s or 80s again. So anyway. One of the first things that we actually did is we ordered Rain-X Latitude wiper blades. Some people have complained to me about them. I've never had a problem in any of my vehicles, and they work so nice. And they actually put a bit of Rain-X on your windshield, so when you're driving in the rain, it will just bead off, so you don't have to use your wipers as much. Right now it's actually snowing, so that ain't gonna help. But I also did it for the rear. There is they take a 20-inch blade in the front and a 16 for the rear. So we'll move that over there, and you can see it beads off, it works off, it works nice. So when it actually comes to wipers, honestly, spend the extra money, get the better blades. The ones that were on here were frameless, but unfortunately they were junk. They were cheap, and it looked like the rubber was actually glued on. And when I went to take them off, the plastic that was holding them on just crumbled and fell apart. So yeah, don't skimp on blades. Blades and tires should always be a better quality in my book. But all right, well, it's starting to really snow here, so I'm going to go inside. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, happy trails.